Thank you, Brent. A company that provides abortion services could be opening in Vinton. While its doors are not open yet, it's already facing some opposition. WDBJ7's Annabelle Kinney is going to break down what we know and don't know about the business.
A women's health clinic is in the works for Vinton, but it won't get there without a fight. A company called Summit Medical Centers has filed a zoning application for the property at 935 3rd Street. Summit's website advertises its abortion clinics in Atlanta and Detroit and mentions a location to open soon in Virginia.
As you know, it has been rumored that abortions will be performed at this location.
While the business isn't currently operating in Vinton, several people spoke against it at a town council meeting on Tuesday. Mayor Bradley Gross says when talks at the center came about, town officials weren't aware that it could be performing abortions in their hometown. People lined up to express their concerns regarding the new medical clinic.
Our community must not be naive about the consequences of bringing such a facility into our midst and make the decision. We do not want this on our hands.
While neighboring states like West Virginia and Kentucky have strict laws against abortions, it is still legal in Virginia. Town council members say while abortion laws are up to the state, they are weighing their options to prevent this from coming to Vinton.
With help from our staff and attorney, this council is actively investigating our options provided by law.
WDBJ7 attempted to reach Summit Medical Centers for comment, but haven't been able to do so. In Vinton, Annabelle Kinney, WDBJ7.